What's up, Wave family? New washing style video. I know I haven't done one of these in a while, so let's get right to it. As you see, I'm using the Botana bar from the WaveEssentials.shop. They are on sale. Buy 3, get 3 free, so take advantage of it. Like I said, this is the cleansing part of the washing style where I'm just cleansing my hair out, getting rid of any dirt, oils that's been in my hair for a little bit. Got a haircut coming tomorrow, so that's why I'm getting the waves properly set. Then I'm over here using the scalp massager over here. This one really cleanses your scalp, really cleanses the hair as well. Creates a little bit of a lather as well, not too much of a lather because this is the cleansing part of the washing style. So when you're cleansing, you're not going to get that much of a lather and everything. As you see, the waves are waving, the noodles, they're getting there and everything. So that's pretty much that part. The next part is when you're really going to see the lather grow and everything. So as you see, I'm just washing out the first wash and everything. Should have used a bigger water container, but it is what it is. You see, I missed a few spots with me rinsing out the first lather, but just bear with me, trust the process. We're gonna get this right. Alright, so just bear with me. You see, still trying to wash out whatever lather I have from the first wash and everything. Then after that, don't ask me how I didn't burn myself with the soap and everything. Don't ask how I missed. So now we're going to go in with wash 2, which is basically the styling wash. This is where I'm going to start laying the waves down using the same bar of soap. And as you see, the lather is richer, it's thicker, which means the hair is clean. It's ready for it to be laid down. So now I'm going over here with the detangler brush from Wavy, going in with the Wavy department, detangler and everything. I like it. It's really good. It's better than the other detangler brush. This one has a better handle that I can hold on to and everything. This one's really good. 5 out of 5 I'm gonna give it and everything. As you see, I'm laying the waves down. The noodles are noodling much better now. The waves are definitely waving and everything. And y'all about to ask me, why am I washing out this lather over here? Just trust me on this one. Trust the process. Now I know they say you save the lather with the second wash to lay down your waves, but trust me on this one. You're gonna see why I washed it out. Trust me. As you see, the waves is still waving and everything. Here goes wash out number 2 over here and everything. Now just watch what I'm about to break out. Just watch and everything. So see, my face is dripping wet and everything, but it is what it is. As you see, about to break it out. 3, 2, 1. Game changer. That is the Cool Water Goat Milk Bar Soap. It is, sorry, I'm over here getting this mixed up. It's the Cool Water Goat Milk Conditioner Soap. Conditioner. You know what I'm talking about. It's the conditioner from, again, Wavy department. And the laydown on this is going to be crazy. Just catch me in video of part 2. I'm going to explain it a little bit better. What's up? This is part 2 of the washing style. As you see, I already used the Cool Water Goat Milk Conditioners bar over here. And as you see, I'm coming in with the semi-hard brush, trying to lay the waves down best I can. Like I said, the lather on this one is crazy. The lather, as you see, the lather is lathering over here. For a conditioner bar soap, well, it's not you know what I'm saying. For a conditioner bar, the lather is crazy. I give this lather 20 out of 20 and everything. As you see, I'm over here trying to fumble with my glasses. I'm trying to get my crown going, trying to get the angles going. As you see, I'm doing the best I can. Mind you, I'm up like, this is like 1:32 in the morning while I'm doing this and everything. So I'm just trying my best to get the lather going. Don't mind my face and everything. At this point, I'm just like, let me just try to finish this thing off and everything to get the waves going and everything. But like I said, the laydown is crazy. Little side note, when I put the do-rag on and after I did it for a while, my hair kind of matted down and everything on the left side of my head, so I had to do redo a quick wash and style again. I did that off camera and the waves came out much better. The laydown came out much better and everything. So you won't see that one on this one over here and everything. As you see, I'm using the lather from the conditioner bar to lay the waves down. As you see, the waves are laying down over here. It was just on the left side that it wasn't going the way I wanted it to go and everything. Doing a final check over here, making sure I got everything the way I want it and everything. As soon as I do that, I just rag it up. Usually I'm still doing the check and everything. As soon as I do that, I just rag it up. After that, I rinse out the lather from the conditioner with the rag, and I let the hair dry. And also with this conditioner bar, it gives your hair and your waves a nice shine to it. Doesn't leave your hair completely dry. It leaves your hair nice and silky and leaves the waves shiny and silky. Like I said, doesn't leave your hair completely dry and everything. So as you see, I'm getting my water container again. Here, this is where I use cold water to wash out the lather, and that helps closing your pores a little quicker and everything. You don't need to use hot water here or warm water. Best to use cold water to close out your washing style to keep your waves and keep your pores closed and everything. Well, it helps close your pores quicker. That's what I was trying to say and everything. I'll get better at these videos eventually and everything. I'll get better speaking at it and whatnot. But like I said, I had to do a quick re-washing style, which was more or less just the style with the conditioner bar, because my hair matted down and I didn't want that going into my haircut and everything. So there's that. As you see, just doing a little final touches and everything. But
Hey,